Get professional teeth whitening results at home. In as little as an hour, you can get up to 8 shades whiter with the Bronzeberry Teeth Whitening Kit. I've personally been using this for 8 years and my teeth are pretty white. We've got a secret, and it is our 16% hydrogen peroxide gel. This is the strongest that you can get outside of a dental office. In fact, those couple $100 take-home dental kits have this same gel right inside of it. The difference is that it comes in trays that you sit or sleep in for an extended period of time to achieve the results that you can get with us in 1 hour. It's great for those that have sensitive teeth because there are no trays involved. It's easy to do and you can do it while multitasking. Here's how. Inside the kit, you'll find your pen. Now your pen, after you open your kit from us, should go into the refrigerator after you've done your first treatment. Keep it in there and it can last up to 12 months. So you will not use every single bit of this during your treatment, which means that you can give yourself little bump ups along the way and your results are gonna last up to a year. You also get a teeth whitening light. Now, this light is far superior to many that's on the market right now. And that's because it has 6 LEDs. In fact, a lot of the salons, boutiques, and teeth whitening pop-up stores, they actually use a machine that has 6 LEDs. So you're gonna get amazing results with this. The other benefit of this particular light is that it goes right inside your mouth. Your lips go around this, so the brightness of the light is activating with the gel and heightening the amount of whitening that you're gonna get in a decreased period of time. Basically, 20 minutes, you're gonna see results. You take your gel, click, click, click. It comes out of this cool brush tip. It's super easy to use. And you just brush it on your teeth, pop your light in, put a timer on, and go about your business. You got a nice, good amount coating from top to bottom. You want to do that on all of your teeth. I go from like here to here, here to here. I coat all of the teeth. I put my light in. 20 minutes later, I'm gonna rinse it out, wipe the gel off, reapply, and put more gel on. I can do that for up to 3 times in 1 day. You can use 1 whole gel pen every 3 months. That's the maximum that you wanna use to avoid over-sensitizing your teeth. After 20 minutes, I take the light out, wipe the gel off, brush my teeth. I'm good to go and it's minty fresh and I've just taken years off my smile.